that? That parent only. What? That parent. And that ma'am is there, no? Yeah, she's doing like this. She's thinking who is wearing which saree and what is that. Am I right, ma'am? She's not clapping, yeah. She's not clapping, yeah.
Okay, good.
That madam there, she's taking photos, cell phone photos. She's always takes cell phone photos and keeps on sharing on the Facebook, Instagram and everywhere. Ma'am, enjoy the show, okay?
Good. Okay, good. And what do you want to tell?
What did you tell? What did you say? Yeah, the ma'am is there. That's ma'am, are you okay? She's always says, I'm okay, but she's not okay. Teachers are not okay, yeah. They're always tense. Running, rushing. Who is coming late? Which parent paid fees? Who is getting less marks? That is what they think all the time.
No, this ma'am is different, ma'am.
I know that ma'am is always smiling.
Please, she called me the chief guest.
Oh, you are a chief guest? You didn't say me that. They mentioned it. They mentioned wrong. It's me, it's not you. Yeah. Where is the principal ma'am? Principal ma'am. Where is she? Oh, she's not here. I'm so happy. Oh, she's there. She's sitting there. Hello, ma'am. She's always smiling. Yeah, la, la. Because it was the annual day, no? Yeah. Principal should look happy. La. Okay, ma'am, your child is good. I'm good, you're good. But nobody's good at the end, yeah. Nobody's good? Yeah.
Everybody's good. That's what Surya School makes.
Oh, what does Surya means?
Surya means sunlight.
Oh, sunlight in the moonlight?
No.
Sir, Vamanara? Sir is not looking at me, yeah.
Good. Talk to parents and say what's your problem.
Yeah, my problem is nothing, yeah. What? They send me to school every day.
Every day?
Yeah. I want more holidays, no school. Yeah.
What?
That is my problem, not parents' problem. You know that?
Okay.
Teachers has a problem and parents have problem to the children here, right? Parents say, go to school. And teachers, they give a lot of homework and say, do homework. I don't know, go to school or to do the homework. Yeah.
But you should go to school. What do you do every day?
Every day I get up and sleep. Then again I get up, again I sleep. Then I get up. Then my mom says, wake up! Oh my God, that lady is connected to me. Man, you also like me only, no?
Okay.
Then what to do? I wake up. I don't know what sleep or wake up. Okay? I wake up. Then I go to washroom. I get asleep. Then my mom says, come out! Get ready! Go to school! Yes. Then I get ready. Then I don't understand here. My teachers are good. What? They say, please sit down, please do the homework. My mom, get ready, get out! That's all. That's all. Yeah. I think sometimes teachers should become parents should become teachers, yeah. Again a problem, yeah. What? Teachers become parents means they'll do homework. And parents go to teachers and then, I can't talk, I'm going!
Come back.
No. Come back, no.
Come back, man. People are watching you.
They are not watching me. What? They are waiting for the children program. Yeah.
No, they are waiting for you.
No, you are wasting their time. Get out and go to the room.
No, they are very happy.
No, they are not happy.
Madam, parents, are you happy? Yes. Parents, are you happy?
Yeah. That gentleman is looking at you and saying, I'm not happy.
I'm not happy.
No, I'm saying I'm not happy.
Okay, no, it's good. Parents are happy and the teachers are also happy.
Teachers?
Miss happy? Okay.
Madam is asking too many questions here. She's asking interview questions.
What is the interview?
How the child is studying? Is the child is studying? Maybe not. Understand the problems here.
The madam is asking.
I know what she's asking. She's a principal, I know.
She's a principal, she's a good person.
I know she's a good person.
Okay, just ask them.
I can't!
Come back.
Yeah.
Come back. Please come back.
No.
Please come back.
No.
Please.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
That's my head.
Oh, this is a head?
Yeah.
This is your real head?
That's very lame.
What is in your head?
My brain.
Is it working?
It's working.
Can I see?
You cannot see.
That means you don't have brain.
Oh God.
Oh, dog. Parents, how are you feeling? Do you think school is good? They say no. They say no. That man did not get admission. So he's saying no. Sir, come next year, you'll get admission. Is it good? Say yes, say no. Nobody's saying yes here. I think, madam, you should arrange the lunch for them, madam, next time. See, madam, teachers, this is Sunday. Sunday means holiday. You'll be very happy. La 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 la. But parents are looking like this. Parents, please say yes or no. Are you happy with the school?
Yes.
If they're not happy, they'll not join the children. No.
No, it's not like that. Ma'am, we know the school puts lots of effort.
I know they don't give holidays.
It's not like that. They do a lot of extracurricular activities.
I know that. But they should not give homework.
Don't worry. This is the challenges for the children of today. And it's so nice that you all are here.
And what? I'm looking at my friend. Is it? Yeah.
They are very happy with the school, the Surya Duglo.
Who kept the school name Surya, man? Whose choice was it? Oh, Damodar sir's choice. He kept the Surya. Yeah. Because he's very happy man. Happy man? Yeah. Because sun goes in the evening, comes in the morning, no? Otherwise, star like this only should be sitting in the school. You know that?
No, the Surya, the global school, has lots of background, philosophies there.
What is the philosophy?
They expect every child to rise like a sun.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Slowly they should rise and they should become a big star.
By lunchtime. Am I right?
Of course.
And the evening they should sit.
The evening setting is not that setting. Evening setting is they should become stars and they should spread the knowledge, happiness in the society.
Do you think it's possible?
It's possible.
Parents, do you think it's possible? Yes or no?
Oh, so much of echo here.
Who is that man who's operating the mic? Eh? Madam, you should give admission to you in the Surya school and teach me everything. Children are good, yeah.
Is it? Yeah. No.
Again, yeah. Hello? సార్ కొంచెం ఎక్కువ తగ్గించండి సార్. సార్కి అలవాటైపోయింది మ్యూజిక్లో డాన్సులు పెట్టి.
It's not like that. So say thanks to the parents.
Thank you.
And what's the advice you want to give to them?
One advice is,
Yeah.
please don't allow children to watch too much of screen.
Good. Because the challenge is many parents are neglecting, and you know I am one of the person who speaks a lot about the
Screen time.
yes.
Not about your screen, but other people's screen time. I know that.
It's not like that. పేరెంట్స్ రిక్వెస్ట్ ఏంటంటే దయచేసి పిల్లలకి బయటికి వెళ్తున్నప్పుడు చిన్నపిల్లలు అయితే దయచేసి కలర్ పెన్సిల్స్ బుక్ కొనుక్కోండి, ఎందుకంటే మీరు చాలా డబ్బులు చాలా వాడికి ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేస్తుంటారు. ఓకే, సో ప్లీజ్ ట్రై టు బై సమ్ స్మాల్ బుక్స్, స్టోరీ బుక్స్, pencils. If the child is 4, 5 years, 6 years old, buy the color pencils and very good color books so that when you leave them, they can use the pencils, color books to color them. Okay, because if you get too much of phones to their hand, చిన్న పిల్లలకి అర్థం కాకుండా ఒకటి ప్రెస్ చేయాల్సి ఇంకోటి ప్రెస్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఐఎమ్ టెలింగ్ యూ వన్ బిగ్ ఛాలెంజెస్ విచ్ ఆర్ ద స్కూల్ ప్రిన్సిపల్స్ ఆర్ ఫేసింగ్.
What is that?
Children are going to something unwanted website.
Yes, and they are getting scared and they are feeling loneliness and depressed. So please don't give phones to children.
ఓకే, పేరెంట్స్ చాలా మంది ఈజీ అయిపోతుంది, చేతులకు ఫోన్ చేస్తున్నారు, దయచేసి ఫోన్ చేయండి. ఇక్కడ పిల్లవాళ్ళు పెద్దవాళ్ళు అయితే స్టోరీ బుక్స్ కొనుక్కోండి. మీరు మంత్లీ స్పెండ్ చేసే డబ్బులు అయితే మీరు మీ ఫోన్స్ పెడతారో దాంట్లో సగం డబ్బులు ఖర్చు పెట్టి మంచి స్టోరీ బుక్స్ వస్తాయి. సో ప్లీజ్ రిక్వైర్స్ ద పేరెంట్స్ టు బై ద స్టోరీ బుక్స్ అండ్ గివ్ చిల్డ్రన్ టు రీడ్ అండ్ డెవలప్ ద రీడింగ్ హ్యాబిట్.
Yeah, children who read and write are going to become stars in future. Is it okay?
And I want you all to promise me that you will not give too much phones to your children.
Is it okay? Parents will never promise, yeah, they will break the promise.
No, Surya Global School children, parents are very good parents.
Are you sure? Yeah. Parents, are you sure? Yes. Are you sure?
Only one thing, if I have to tell you, is please reduce the screen time for your children. There's only one request. నేను ఒక్కటే చిన్న విషయం నిజంగా చెప్పాలి ఎవరికైనా పేరెంట్స్ కంటే ఒక్కటే విషయం చెప్తాను, ప్లీజ్ రెడ్యూస్ స్క్రీన్ టైమ్ ఫర్ యువర్ చిల్డ్రన్ బికాస్ యువర్ చిల్డ్రన్ ఆర్ మైండ్ టు బి మోర్ ఇంటెలిజెంట్ దాన్ ది ఐఫోన్ ఐప్యాడ్స్ అండ్ బిలీవ్ మీ యువర్ చిల్డ్రన్ హ్యావ్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ టాలెంట్ విచ్ దే కెన్ బీట్ ది AI ఆల్సో provided they know how to use their brains. Okay? Good. Because it's my personal experiences. I've been traveling across the world. So please, I request all the parents, don't worry about the AI, don't worry about ChatGPT. Your children are
Surya Global can beat any competition in the world. Am I right, Lakshmi ma'am? She's not coming. Principal ma'am, come here. Madam, come here, ma'am. Principal is calling you. She's telling me. You only, ma'am, come here, ma'am. They want to talk to you. They want to talk to you. Yeah. Sometimes talk, ma'am. Show your hand. Don't put me the principal's hand here. Very dangerous.
Is it?
Yeah. I'm gone.
No.
I'm gone.
Oh, she's a good teacher.
She's a good teacher.
Yeah, good principal, and she's a good teacher. She became a good principal.
All good teachers cannot become good principals, no.
But this good principal is a good teacher also.
Oh, that madam is clapping for me. Ma'am, clap. Oh, thank you. Mothers are clapping more than dads, yeah. Dads are worried tomorrow. What is my lunch box? Will I go to office or not? Dads sometimes enjoy the show also. Okay. Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm all good.
She's not good, but she say I'm good. For today she's good. Tomorrow onwards again she's not good.
No, it's not like that.
And what do you want to say to the parents, ma'am?
There is a lot to say to the parents. I think when my turn comes, I'll definitely say.
Oh my God, when the term comes, they'll sleep. That's a good time.
No, not good time.
Principal has removed her hand. I'm on hanging. Oh my God, what? I'm hanging. She removed her hand. I said, told you, Mimi. It's not good, Mimi.
Okay.
So that you stand on your legs, you do yourself all by yourself.
That's what principals expect. Children do everything. Children will not do anything. They don't do homeworks also, ma'am. Without parent support. And you expect them to stand on the legs. It's impossible. Am I right, parents? Yes or no?
Okay. Children, parents, the ma'am has a lot of expectations, and she feels that every child is a star, unique, and they have a lot of abilities, and they can stand on their own legs.
Am I right, ma'am?
Absolutely right.
Okay.
What?
Ma'am, thank you so much.
And say thanks to everybody.
Parents, thank you. Bye, see you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am. With this, Lakshmi ma'am, can I end my show? Okay, time is over now.
Yeah. With this way,
Madam, come here, Lakshmi ma'am.
Lakshman is calling.
Madam, how did you turn 300 to 3,000 to 5,000 students, madam? What is secret?
It's not the quantity which we keep in mind, it's our quality. Always this revolves in our mind and we make it viral in the parents and students. That's the secret.
Oh my God, what? Do you think principal will tell secret here? They will not tell the secret. She says, they like to look nice to the parents. You know that?
No, this ma'am, what she said is good. They look for the quality because they expect every child has a good quality and good qualities, and that qualities will make them the superstar and like a rising sun. Thanks a lot, the parents, and give a big round of applause